Hello, everyone, my guys, my gals, and my non-binary pals. How are all of you today? I know it's been a while. The last game I played was Five Nights at Freddy's, but now we're here with Metal Gear Rising Revengeance. Now, I know a lot of you have probably heard of this game, either through just how you usually play games or because of a very specific reason, but either way, I've been wanting to play this game for a long time, and now we're finally here to play it. Story. New game. Let's go hard, you know? Yeah, I'll play tutorial. What? What the heck is this? What? Wow, I'm good at this. Interesting. I think I'm gonna switch to my controller. Do that. I think I got him. I'm not sure though. That's cool. That's really cool. Oh wait, is this the game? We're starting? Oh dang. Where are we?
3 years. We've come so far in just 3 short years.
Oh.
The sign of a strong leader, sir.
No. The will of a strong people.
Where is this?
And one very able advisor.
Thank you, sir.
Wow,
Your team deserves credit as well,
oh, it's me.
Mr. Lightning Bolt.
Just doing our job, Mr. Prime Minister.
Whoa, he
I
looks
must admit,
weird with both
I once
eyes.
thought of groups like yours as opportunists, enablers of war. But you've trained our new army well. Order has returned sooner than expected.
We did it, guys.
Perhaps
Peace.
I was wrong about these private military companies.
That's nice.
We prefer private security providers, sir.
Aw.
Most of Maverick's contracts do focus on security.
Yes, well, security can mean many things.
Dang.
There's a saying I like. One sword keeps another in the sheath. Sometimes the threat of violence alone is a deterrent. Sometimes by taking a life, others can be preserved. It's the code the samurai lived by.
A soldier and a philosopher. You are full
yeah.
of surprises, Mr. Lightning Bolt.
I could say the same
So
about
smart.
you, Mr. Prime Minister.
What is happening?
Someone's blocking the lead vehicle. Hold on.
Oh,
Clear the road! This is official state business!
who... Is that the... Oh my god, it's the funny guy. The funny meme man.
I said clear the road! We're authorized to use force if you do!
Oh dang. My controller. And the down. Oh. Oh. That's not good.
our competitors?
Courtney, what is happening?
We got hit, sir. A cyborg.
Whose?
Exif comes up unaffiliated.
I'll notify
no.
all checkpoints. Get on money out of there.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's not good.
We are going to die.
Stay calm.
No, I think he's the right person to die. Oh, heck yeah.
He's got friends on our 12.
Raiden,
I'm on it. Guard the Prime Minister.
I don't think you take off a jacket button like that, but okay. Oh yeah. Let's get ready to rumble.
Let's get this over with.
But we just started.
take out those hostiles. Raiden, you'll need to choose between light and heavy strikes to match the situation.
Do I? What the fuck? Wow, I hate my ass handed to me.
Take self-repair units from your foes to replenish your own supply.
What's that? Okay, come on. Shoot. Easy, guys. Don't know what the big deal was. That was like, come on.
Raiden, the limo is in trouble. Get back there, ASAP.
Where is it?
I'll add the limo to your solid down radar.
Yeah, this is Ninja Red. Dash attack. Bye. Oh my god. I did not give that guy a chance to breathe, bro. Repair unit. What? Oh. Wait. Hey, bro, what the? Bro, I'm a smidge. Okay, dude. Epic. Okay, come on. Alright.
Raiden, it's on the other side of that barricade.
Dude, 1 second. Kill your friend. Jesus. How do I run? Oh, that was cool.
What are you doing, Raiden? Get to that limo.
Come on. Come Bro, someone keeps fucking things on this one. Okay. Oh my. Jesus.
If you can't cut through the barricade, try the fence, eh?
Cool. Oh shoot. We got this, baby. What the hell? Oh! That's not good. That's a Metal Gear, isn't it? Oh. Well. Oh shoot. Oh man. That's messed up, bro. Ooh. So no head. Why is... No. What happened to Jeff Bezos?
Stop!
So you're Jack.
What do you want with the Prime Minister?
I want him dead.
Please don't.
Nothing personal, of course. Africa's just getting a bit too peaceful.
Oh,
What?
what? Yeah. What?
Business ain't been the same since they shut down SOP. A clean break from the war economy. Huh. Well, some of us like that economy. How's an honest warmonger supposed to make a living?
An honest warmonger.
This is your answer? Don't do it!
Don't worry now. I won't. Not while he's still useful.
Okay, so we gotta save him.
So long.
Oh no. Uh-oh.
What? They have a metal gear? Gear? Right. Take out that UMG and get after it. Catch that missile before it blows.
What? Cut that missile.
Use your ninja run to deflect those shots.
They got friggin' things. Oh shoot.
Use blade mode to damage it out.
What? Oh my god. Wait.
Right.
Oh crap.
Raiden! Raiden! UMG and get after it. Catch that missile before it blows. Use your ninja run to deflect those shots.
Hey, leave me alone.
Drop that plane.
What? Oh, what? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh.
Waiting wide open.
Oh. Oh.
Хорошо. Very good. But do not rest easy just yet, huh?
Combat rank D. Makes sense.
He's on the other side of that collapsed building. Go.
Jesus. Wow. Like, that's all I can say. You killed that thing.
Careful, Raiden. Keep that up and the whole building could collapse. Look
What?
for another way.
Walking. Oh. I'm just standing there.
There. Get in there.
Oh, chasing.
Use your
Right.
ninja van to move over obstacles automatically.
Go here, loser.
Do not let him out of your sight. You must catch him.
Oh. Oh. Crap. Crap. No. Mr. President, I'm sorry. Prime Minister. Oh. Whoa. Another one?
That there you cheat. It still works?
Oh, it's the same one? Oh my god, what the heck? How do I dodge that? How do I dodge that? Oh my god. What the heck? Oh my
Use
god.
blade mode to take down those heavy missiles.
Thank god. Bro, what the heck? Who's killing us? Yeah. So I have no idea how I'm beating this thing. Oh, here's how. Oh my. This game is so great. Like, this is awesome. Oh my, like. Now that I could have just cut the rock the whole time. I don't know how to dodge that. Bro. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Nothing. I'm invincible, baby. Ow. Okay. Hit 3. Hey.
the north.
Oh. 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 Oh my god. No honor? This thing really wants me dead. Jesus Christ. Hey, a C rank. That's better. Oh. I just... Wow. Jeff Bezos let me go. Well, we lost him. Better give him boys.
Damn it!
No, I'm joking. Ah, hell yeah, baby. Man, I sure do love train levels. Yeah, this is a train level. Oh.
He's heading for the front of the train. After him. Bryson, an unidentified field rotor is headed your way. Keep an eye out for it.
Bro. Oh.
Prime Minister!
Hey, let him go.
Huh. Too little too late, hero. I won't be needing my little shield here any longer.
Hey, let him go.
Stop! What about all the good things war has done for us?
Nothing?
Why don't we ever hear speeches about that?
Because...
Jobs, technology, a common purpose?
Raiden, forget me. Stop him.
You ain't listening.
Uh-oh.
Mind if I got in? All we're saying, give war a chance!
Oh. Oh.
No!
Yeah, what the heck, dude? What the hell? Don't you run away. do this thing, man. Wait,
Now, don't be shy.
what the hell? What Ow. Okay then. Ow. Wow, you're really good at this. Okay.
Self-taught. And not half bad. Still.
Oh. I don't think this was the boss fight.
Your technique lacks something.
Ow! Hey, stop! Oh!
Now I see. You deny your weapon its purpose.
Oh! That's my second favorite
Yearns to
eyebrow.
bathe in the blood of your enemies, but you hold it back. No.
My sword is a tool of justice.
Yeah. Oh. This sword's on fire. That's... Oh my.
Shit, not again.
Oh, this has happened before.
Raiden, are you all right? You're almost clear of the tunnel. Just hang on.
Hey, hey, hey.
Did you want to practice first?
Shut up. I'm good. No. Oh, I got flung.
This is what happens when you bring a tool to a sword fight. It's over. Lucky devil.
Hey, I got my boy.
Kept you waiting, huh?
Yo, shoot down the chopper. Oh my god, dude. Oh. Bro, this dude has PBS jump. Shoot it down.
Down you go! Flares!
Dang, they know their stuff, I guess. Bro. You don't look too good, dude. Okay. Okay, let's see how bad I was. Combat rank D. At least I did it on hard mode. File R00 says DC. Yes, I'm very good at this game. 3 weeks later. Doesn't seem all that good. I don't think I have to see that.
So far, so good.
Whoa.
I've got a clean visual.
A direct feed to your optic nerve. Yes, I should hope so, huh?
I mean, how does it feel? To fly like a bird?
Like a bird strapped to a remote control rocket.
We will get you in safely, Tovarich. Just relax and enjoy the ride.
Heck yeah.
Right.
Can you hear me, Raiko?
Doctor.
Remember the 2 procedures to maintain your new body. 1. Seizing nano repair units from your foes. And 2.
Absorbing their electrolytes. I got it.
Electrolytes.
Enemy cyborgs should provide plenty of NCFC electrolytes once you slice them open and
They're run by
extract their
Gatorade?
fluids.
They're terrorists. I was planning on that anyway.
Oh, and their left hands, if you please.
What?
Excuse me?
Is a combat data stored on holographic memory, typically located in the left hand. That data is very valuable. I am authorized to offer you upgrades and services in exchange for it.
Bro, it just...
How generous.
You just make it look like you collect left arms, dude.
Capitalismus. Had the war come down a few years earlier, I would have a Nobel Prize on my shelf.
There, I see land.
Oh, heck yeah.
3 mics out and closing. No activity at the airbase. Looks like we don't need to worry about interceptors.
Great. Then we have time for a quick briefing.
I know you miss me, Kev, but I've been all over the materials.
That's what you said before Montenegro. Look, just humor me, buddy. Objectives, of course, are enter Abkhazia, neutralize the terrorists, and restore the rightful government, or what's left of it anyway. The president and most of the cabinet have been killed, and a military junta's been established. The terrorists brainjacked all the high-ranking officers, and their cyborgs scattered the rank and file. The few leaders who have survived have no way of openly opposing the new regime. That's why they called us.
So we
Andrei
got
Bolsaev, leader of the occupation forces, an extremist linked to both the St. Petersburg massacre of 2015 and last year's terror spree in Georgia. And his arms supplier, none other than Desperado Enforcement, LLC.
Are those the guys
Bonnie's
that...
killers.
Yeah.
If we don't stop them here, they could destabilize the entire region. But our more immediate problem is Jetstream Sam. I believe you've met.
That's a
The only
interesting
problem I
name.
see is that nickname. I've got my enhancements this time. He won't be an issue.
He may not even be in country, but keep an eye out just in...
Oh. Sorry.
Ready for insertion.
Yeah. What? Dang. Kind of majestic. We're still rocking those high heels. It's me. Raiden, Metal Gear Rising. This is for
Raiden,
guys.
you landed safely, huh? First, head inland. The waypoint is marked on your Soliton radar. Contact us on codec if you have questions.
The UI's changed. Can I cut this barrel? Good thing to know I can still do that. Who cares about it? Oh.
Control, it's Raiden. I'm on the ground.
Copy, Raiden. Glad to hear it. Entering on foot was the right move.
Damn.
That craft isn't equipped with stealth camo. Or octo camo, obviously, since that would be useless in midair.
And we wouldn't
Yeah.
want to get your pricey new jet damaged, now would we?
Duh. The MQ-133C was not cheap, Tovarich. Now, keep
Yeah.
alert. According to intel, you could find significant cyborg deployment here. If you were to be cornered by an entire squad, it might get difficult, even for you.
Hey,
Understood. Some fighting
bro,
will
just
be
because I'm
necessary,
playing hard
though.
mode doesn't mean
I've got electrolytes to replenish.
What? This is not an infiltration mission. There is no need to hide or avoid combat outright, huh?
Is
Just
this sponsored by
do not
Gatorade?
get reckless. Stay safe.
Man, I
and
sure
stay
do want some
focused on your
Gatorade right
mission.
now.
Looks like a war zone out here.
The palace cleared out quick when Dolzaev's men showed up. The streets got pretty
Hello,
hot
Kevin.
after that.
Have you heard of the great?
Definitely gonna see a few civilian casualties here.
Oh.
Luckily, it looks like most of them got out of the city before things got bad. They've basically got control of the entire town, and are using the refinery as their HQ.
And that's why we're hitting the plant.
Keep in
Yeah.
mind, those cyborgs are contractors. For most of these guys, this is just a job. In theory, once you eliminate their commanding officer, they should scatter pretty quickly.
Well, that's good. Courtney.
How we doing, Courtney?
You're looking good on our end. GPS and audio-visual feed coming in fine. Energy consumption? Check. Damage levels? Check. Blood pressure, brain waves, blood sugar? Check, check, check.
Okay,
Pulse monitoring
that's
equipment,
good.
I got a better view than if I was standing right next to you. Anyway, I'll be saving all your data automatically anytime something important happens in the
This
field.
is how.
But contact me anytime you want a manual save.
Copy that. Good to hear that hasn't changed with this new body.
Yep, the
Oh.
basic system's exactly the same. So, did you want to save?
Yes.
And save complete. Simple, huh?
Copy.
What?
And glad to hear you're okay after Africa. That ambush was no joke.
Tell me about it. 3 armored vehicles should have been plenty for that job. And it would have been against any typical guerrilla force.
I keep asking myself, where would an anti-Imani faction get the cash to hire cyborgs?
I don't know.
It just doesn't add up. Maybe there's some intel I missed. A lead I should have followed up on. Maybe if I reacted faster, or coordinated better. I don't know.
Hey, it's okay.
You can't think that way, Courtney. Not in this business. You did everything you could. Put it behind you and move on.
You're right. Thanks.
That's nice.
Right.
Doctor.
Shall we review the capabilities of your new body?
Copy that. Go ahead, Doc.
As we discussed, you've been outfitted with 2 Revengeance.
Fuel electrolyte absorption and self-repair from
Electrolyte.
C's nanopaste.
Precisely. First, electrolyte as your HF blade
Okay, wait,
and
this
your
feels
fuel
like it's gonna
cells
take
with
a
I would
while.
indeed.
But most military.
So I need to slice them open and use Zandatsu to extract.
Correct. Keep in mind, it will still repair you.
Basically.
Rather
Okay,
gruesome.
so-
I may be.
Oh, but
I
what?
have to
I
cut
don't
off
I'm
to
my
heal
own.
myself.
Anyway.
Indeed. Well, and it all has to.
Huh?
What?
The desire to feel fear, to taste death, but
What
from
the
a safe
hell are you
distance.
talking about?
These films allow the viewer to delude themselves.
Okay, Doc.
Customize. The exit customization you'll start. Oh, okay. What can I customize myself as? Probably nothing. Oh! Oh, dang, this is cool. I can beat that guy? What sword can I have? Fox blade. Oh, I need points for that. Life. Ah. Let's see. Skills. Defensive. Ooh. Yeah. Interesting.
Raiden, you landed safely, huh?
Yeah.
First, head inland. The waypoint is marked on your Soliton radar. Contact us on Codec if you have questions.
Oh.
These bastards are using stealth camo to ambush you. Nice try, but it won't do any good against a state-of-the-art cyborg like you, eh? To parry incoming hits, throw out your own barrage of light attacks while your foe is on the offensive.
Oh. Okay, well.
Right. Whenever you engage in battle, I will designate a battle area for you. Stay within the area to avoid collateral damage.
Ow! Oh, I literally chopped off his legs. Ow. Ow. Oh. Huh. So there's still a guy that's like over here. No, he died of blood loss. I'm feeling that fresh Gatorade flowing through my veins.
Had your fill?
With this body, I could take these guys with no eyes. Intel wasn't exaggerating on the cyborg count.
Well, you know how fast the tech's been spreading these last few years.
Yeah, with all the
That
Instagrams,
CNC muscle fiber packs the power
Twitters.
of a jackhammer into every limb.
Jesus
What
Christ.
enterprising soldier of fortune could resist? And cyborgs are still human. Real thinking people. Way less risk of collateral damage than your typical UAV strike.
And don't forget the PR angle. Nations start playing Frankenstein with their troops, and the public goes nuts. PMCs, on the other hand, are off the ethical radar.
Yeah. They still don't
What?
even count PMCs in official death tolls. With
That's
SOB
messed
out of the
up,
picture,
bro.
private militaries needed a new edge on the market. We got it.
In a way, cyborgs are just SOP troops by another name. Only all muscled up and less predictable.
But it makes you wonder, where'd Desperado find these guys?
They found
I'm
them
not
off the
complaining.
streets.
They're like walking vending machines.
Oh.
Right. Vending machines full of blood. Easy there, Dracula. Like I said, they're still people.
People who terrorize and take innocent lives for money. They sowed their fate when they took this job.
Yeah, I
I'm
guess
just
you
the
could say
Reaper.
that.
Damn. It's a bit cold, Raiden. Even for you.
Yeah.
Anyway, his school. Let's get to work. Time to increase the peace.
Right.
I am going to kill so many people in the next episode. That's right. Oh, I didn't even kill that third guy. He just... Huh. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of the first episode of Metal Gear Rising: Revengeance. And it's been fun. And I'll see you all next time, my guys, gals, and non-binary pals. See ya.